Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. For the last few trading sessions, I've been telling you if Nifty closes above 25,180, the market will become technically long. And yesterday, Nifty exactly closed at 25,181, just 1 point above the technically long level. Yesterday in post market also, today in pre-market also, I clearly mentioned that this market is a long market, is not a short market. Although technicals are not 100% reliable, but we need a guideline. So the technical offers some kind of a guideline. And today, despite GIFT Nifty indicating about 20-30 point lower opening, and Nifty shot up more than 150 point at some point of time. On a closing basis also, it's very, very respectable closing, closed around 25,300. Number one, and people thought the TCS results are good, and they thought IT index will go higher, but on the contrary, TCS has fallen more than 1%. And in fact, IT index has closed negative. But despite that, the market shot up. The Bank Nifty, it's coming, right now, Bank Nifty is just only 1.2% away from all-time high. So it's very close to 57,000, at least Bank Nifty future at least. The all-time high is 57,600. Ever since the quarterly business outlook news came, the banking stocks are doing extremely well. And today, despite TCS falling more than 1%, and Nifty closed significantly higher, and then number one, the people actually expected a very bad result from TCS. The result is not really very bad. So now market is assuming that if TCS can come out with a decent results, the sector that is in a big trouble, and sure, stocks from banking, automobile, real estate, they can come out with much better results. So that's why today the broader market has actually outperformed. And PSU Bank Index was higher by more than 1.5%, I think. So that is one thing. Second thing, the India VIX has gone down. It's close to 10.10. I think another 0.1% fall, another 0.1 point fall. VIX will become a single digit. That's the second thing. Third thing, the day before yesterday, the Nifty future premium was only 70 point over the spot. Yesterday what happened? So that 70 point premium has gone up to 100 point premium. And today what happened? That 100 point premium has gone up to 130 points premium. Usually going towards the end of the expiry, the Nifty future premium should fall. But on the contrary, just two trading sessions, the Nifty future premium has increased by 60 points. So that shows that this is a short covering and shorts are being covered. So otherwise, why should somebody pay 130 point premium to buy the future? So clearly, a short covering is on. Usually, if Monday to Thursday market moved higher, at least towards the end of Friday, there will be some kind of a profit booking. And because people will not like to carry the trading positions over the weekend. But that has not happened today until the end. So market was trading firmly. And today the market move was just one direction move without any volatility. Whereas last few trading sessions, markets were very, very volatile. So anyway, so technical indicators has shown long and the market is long. Although I'm not telling what technical I'm following, but I always say when the market becomes long, when the market becomes short. Okay, we do discuss our technical setup and everything in our workshop. So after a blockbuster workshop in Chennai, I'm coming down to Bengaluru. Right now I'm in Dubai, and I'll be in Dubai for next 6 months. But just for the purpose of workshop, I'm flying from Dubai to Bengaluru in the first week of November. November 8 and 9 is the workshop. So those who are interested can sign up for the workshop. So there we do discuss all these strategies. Today morning I just mentioned, I did some put calendar. The people are asking exactly how to do that. So of course, those things we discuss in our workshop. So say for example, yesterday the put calendar, that has given almost more than 40 rupees per share as a profit in just one trading day. Right? Of course, things can go wrong also. Yesterday I predicted technically market is long. Not that I predicted, the technical predicted, and it has become correct. But it can go wrong also sometimes. But when things go wrong, so what adjustments we do. So that's what more important things that we discuss in our workshop. So today, number one, Nifty future premium increase. Number two, India VIX fell. And number three, market moved significantly higher while GIFT Nifty was indicating lower opening. And number four, markets moved significantly higher despite TCS falling more than 1% after the results. And number five, market moved significantly higher while the Asian markets were trading lower. So this shows that, some kind of a bullishness is returning to the market. I think the next target will be 25,500. That's a very, very, very short-term target. But 25,650 is the high made in this year. Last year high was 26,277. This year high is 25,650. Who knows? If Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank results are good, Nifty can take out that 25,650 also on the higher side. So let us see what is going to happen. We'll see you tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.